guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to bring you along for a butternut squash chicken stew, and we're going to do it all right in the crock pot. So to start off, I browned up a tiny bit of bacon with 1 medium onion and some olive oil, and just let that go. It's optional, but it adds an extra layer of flavor. And so to this, we are going to add 1 large cubed butternut squash. It's been peeled, it's had its guts taken out. I'm going to throw that right in. Now to this, we are going to add 2 chicken breasts. Mine are about medium size, so we'll get those in there. You could use bone in, but mine are boneless. And then I'm not going to add salt to this recipe until the end because I do have salt in my chicken broth that I'm going to be using. But I do want to add some sage, and you could use fresh, but all mine are going to be dried. We're going to add garlic because I always add garlic. All of these seasonings are to taste, so use your own judgment. And then we are going to add some black pepper. And then last but not least, we are going to add some parsley because I love adding parsley. And then I'm going to add my home canned chicken broth. It's about 1 quart, so I'll add that in. And then you could add more if you wanted it soupier, but we're going to add a little special ingredient at the end. So this is going to go on high for 4 hours until the chicken is fall apart tender. You could also do it on low for about 6 hours, but high is going to be fine for me. And so I will bring you back when we are ready to finish up this dish. All right, guys. So this went for 4 hours, and you can see it just, oh, if you could smell this. So what we're going to do now is take out the 2 chicken breasts, and we're going to go ahead and shred them. Okay, so I went ahead and added in the shredded chicken, gave it a nice stir. You can see that the butternut squash is just falling apart. Oh, so good. So let me tell you a couple different ways you can finish this off. If you wanted it to be paleo, you could stop right now and just have it just like this. This is paleo Whole30, and it's delicious. Do you want to make sure you test for salt because we did not add salt in the beginning? But if you wanted more hearty, you could, 30 minutes before this is done, add in some egg noodles and let them go. I would probably add a little bit more broth if you were going to use the egg noodles, or cook your egg noodles beforehand and then toss them in the night you're wanting to serve this. This would freeze well. The butternut squash may mush after being thawed, but honestly, it's going to be delicious no matter what. Another thing you can do, if you don't want the carbs from the noodles, but you still want something to give it just, I don't know, an extra creaminess, if you will, add some heavy cream. Or you could do coconut cream, coconut milk, but we are using regular old cream. You know I love it if you watch me at all. Now, without the noodles, this would still be considered on the lower carb side. It would not be keto because butternut squash does have a higher carb count, but this is super healthy, guys. And I mean, just look at it. Does that not look amazing? Give it. Oh, that's perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some ideas on a way you can make a super easy crock pot recipe, crock pot soup. This is definitely dinner tonight. So I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching, guys.